Hello Vintage Pools and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you information that is relevant to boost the traffic to your website, attracting more customers and growing your company. Please don't forget just to give me some feedback. Just drop me a line or two letting me know what you thought about the content of the video. So I'm going to start with your website and the front page. I can see that you have these badges over here, which is really good. The click to call button over here. You have links to the main services that you provide, some interesting and appealing statistics of your history as a pool builder, and the complete range of services that you provide over here. These videos are really good and really engaging, and the links to your social media accounts. Probably it's just a well laid out website. Uh, I would just probably add the contact us form over here, so just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you guys. And in terms of the amount of content, your front page has around 394 words, and Google likes to see content. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words because that's the sweet spot to be optimized for Google. And Google wants to see that you are beating out your competitors. So to outrank them, an opportunity is just to add more content and more relevant content in terms of keywords. Let's have a look at exterior creation pools. These guys have around 955 words, and Blue Haven pools, these guys have around 925 words. So they are very similar in the amount of content. So definitely an opportunity for you to grab there. Now I came here to Google search and I type in Pool Builders Las Vegas. The first section is usually the Google Ads, which is really good at driving traffic and getting leads quick. It can be very expensive if it's not done correctly. Now the second section is the Google Business Profile, and to rank at the top you need something that we call citations, and a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and can start ranking you at the top. You also need optimized and geotag pictures, and you need reviews. So ideally to grab one of these top 3 positions. Now the third section is the Google Organic Search, and to rank at the top of the Google Organic Search you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I can see that there are 94 external websites directing traffic or pointing towards your website through to 799 backlinks or links. If I have a look at Exterior Creations, they have 400 backlinks in 75 external websites, and Blue Haven, they have 689 in 107 external websites. So they actually have, for example, the first one has less than backlinks and less external domains that you have, but they are managing to rank at the top. So it's just important to think about backlinks as a popularity contest. And in this case, the website that is going to rank at the top is not only the one that is going to have more likes, but the one that is going to have backlinks that are powerful. And by powerful, I mean sitting on websites that are relevant to the services and to your industry so that Google can give you extra credits for this. Now, the most interesting part is the organic keywords. So in this view, I can see what are the keywords that your website is being found for. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is showing up in the Google search for the relevant searches that users are performing. So anything beyond the 10th position means that your website is already on the second page of Google, so it's not capable of driving too much traffic. But if I have a look at Pool Builders Las Vegas, the search volume is 700. You are in the 16th position, and because of that, you were able to drive 5 visits to your website. But let's have a look at these guys. Exterior creations that are being found for 278 keywords. And I highlighted in here some of those relevant keywords. The total volume for the keywords that I highlighted is 3,000 searches per month. That is, this keyword just for this website, just for this number of keywords, was in front of 3,000 people on any given month. And because of the position, they are able to drive a lot more traffic. So basically, that's what you want to do. Just want to make sure that your website has the relevant keywords with the highest volume. so that in the end you can adapt that volume, because a percentage of potential customers they're going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to go back and reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land as customers, and that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Those are the things that you actually have to do to rank up higher. Please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye.